What's good? So the code for this video is going to be staff battle. Make sure you guys use it as soon as possible because it expires in 1 week. And if you don't use it in that time frame, you're going to miss out. And trust me, you do not want to miss out now, especially because I can't say it, but I don't know. Just make sure if you're not max level, try to hit it as soon as possible. Hope you guys enjoy the video.